Hello friends, today we've got another unboxing. This time we've got a diver watch, and as you could see, the packaging is quite modest. This retailer gives us modest packaging, yet the price of the watch is very good. I have paid only 33 euros for this diver watch. I've been hunting this watch for a couple of months. I could not find a suitable price for it, and now I have managed to take it. Although the price might not be on sales, but still it's a good price compared to other retailers. If we are to discuss about the case, we can see that this watch respects all the features of a diver watch. We have big numbers, white numbers that are visible in dark because they are on a black theme. Also, the bezel is rotative and it moves in both directions. I'm not sure if it is good or bad, but it moves in both directions. What I do not like is that it does not click. I would prefer to hear that clicking sound, tick tick tick. Yet now it slides perfectly smoothly. We do not know how it will move in time, but for the moment it moves very well and smooth. The arrows are for sure big, large and white, and you cannot miss the time in dark environment. This is the lume of the watch, so there is no lume to it. I definitely do not recommend it in darker conditions. 33 euro watch, so this is what it can get. The case of the watch has a pretty good dimension. It is a 43mm case. I have excluded the crown and this edge of the crown. On the hand, you do not feel it like a 43mm watch. The lug to lug it would around 43-44, and these dimensions are, let's say, a square, and on the wrists look pretty well, especially on smaller wrists as mine. On the display we can see that it's black and white. On top of 12 o'clock we have the red triangle, which give a plus of color to this, let's say, boring display. Yet it is not boring because, as mentioned, the digits are huge, are visible, and for sure we have the Casio logo next to the 12 o'clock. We have the quartz mechanism mentioning there. We have the day date, which is pretty good, and we also have the water resist of 100 meters. Below the numbers from 1 to 12 we have the numbers from 13 to 24. If we move to the strap, we can see the gap here and here. The strap moves a little left to right, which I do not like. I'm not sure why Casio does this. This I don't like. I think in this period of time Casio should have also managed to fix this issue. This gap I do not like on most of their watches. This one as well has it. This one does not have it. It's it continues directly from the watch, and it is very good from that point of view. Nevertheless, let's move on. The strap is flexible. It feels good. It's not that wide, it's not narrow. We can see these circles, and it reminds the strap with the 5600 series. The buckle and the clasp has the Casio logo on it, and if we turn it around we have the idea of the strap and also the material for it. Yes, we have it on both straps. On the bottom the strap has a little shoulder there for better positioning on the wrist, yet it is not that visible, and the watch could stay like this, so a flat, perfect flat, compared to this one which has already a rounded shape in regards to the strap and positioning. To the back case we've got for sure the Casio logo, and the back case is made of stainless steel. The module number is 5125 and the model name is MRW-200H. It has the water resistance also mentioning here, and the movement is from Japan, and it is cased in China. I will leave also in the end of the video the module presentation. I did not read it. The watch, to pull out of the crown towards exterior, will enter into time adjustment mode. and this is the time, and to adjust the date it's just one pull towards exterior, and now we can adjust the date. If we move the crown towards 12 o'clock, we adjust the day of the week, and we can see that it is in two languages, so it's Tuesday and Mardi, so it's English and French. And now it's Friday, and we will leave it as the first Friday, and when it will be, because it is AM, we leave it Friday, and I guess in the noon after 12 o'clock it will move to Vendredi or whatever. And if we rotate the crown towards 6 o'clock, we adjust the day of the month, which in our case is the 24th. So we have missed, and now we need to switch. Done, the watch is adjusted, and now we push the crown towards the watch, and this would be the model presentation of this watch. If you are about to place it on the wrist, we can see that it fits very well. Now I have placed it towards the hand too much. I should have placed it more to the interior like this, and in this case the crown would not bother me if I put the hand like this in 90 degrees. You cannot see that it is a huge watch. You do not feel it as a huge watch because it is very light. The weight of the watch is very small. Yes, the colors are very beautiful. This white, deep white, the bezel has a yellowish white, but the red triangle from 12 o'clock gives color to this boring watch and makes it unboring. Definitely I like the colors. Definitely I like the colors of the watch very much. Initially I was wondering if I could take the metal bracelet for it, but yeah, the colors are not that beautiful in that case, and this is the best color combination that this watch can give you, or Casio can give you. To conclude, I can say that this watch is very beautiful, and definitely if you are in or you need to take a diving watch, this is my recommendation. 33 euros for it. We need to see how it will manage in time, how it will survive in time, but on the first glance the watch looks great. I definitely recommend it. Do not buy it second hand because most of them are destroyed, and the price is quite steep for a second hand watch, and the bracelet is damaged, so most of them I could not find with original strap. Therefore, if you need to buy a cheap watch, make an effort and pay 33 euros. You will not regret it. Thank you for your attention. Wishing you the best.